today is the day. We are finally installing my upgraded duck wing, my rear spoiler. We are finally upgrading it and making the rear of my Mazdaspeed 6 look good. Let's get to today's video. I'm gonna go to Home Depot right now. It's a little windy outside, so I'm gonna explain how to take off the stock spoiler on my Mazdaspeed 6 while I'm in here. But first, you'll want to take off the inner trunk liner, I guess you would call it. The trunk liner, it just has a bunch of clips. If you have extra clips or you don't care about breaking them, you could just break them off. I ended up breaking a lot of them off. I finally just got really frustrated with it. So if you do break them off, just buy some new ones and then you're good to go. But once you get the trunk liner off, then there are two bolts on either side of the rear spoiler. There's one on the very left side and one on the very right side. Then it's just clips from there. So you got to unplug the stock spoiler because it does have a light in it. My plans for the light are just to either make one work with the new spoiler by either just retrofitting it or something, or I'm just gonna have to rock it without a rear third brake light for a little bit. All right, you guys, once you have disconnected the brake light and unbolted it, your wing should come off like so. All right, guys, that's what it looks like. I did end up breaking a few clips when I pulled it off. I guess it happens, whatever. I'll just fix those spots. I have the new wing next to the old wing, and basically how I'm going to mount this new wing is I have double-sided sticky tape spread out to give it a little bit of extra cushion as well as to hold it down. Then I have holes drilled on either side right where the stock wing has the two clips, and so I'm going to be bolting down the wing where the stock location holes have been drilled, so that way you will not have to drill any holes onto your trunk, and it'll also be the easiest way to install this wing. So let's go outside and install the wing. Alright, you guys, the wing is done. It has been installed. Let me know what you think of the wing in the comments down below, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.